What's up YouTube? Welcome to this video experiment about how much intro workout actually affects the level of intensity that you can push in any given workout. So this is the shake I'm making. It's very simple. It's just about 40 grams of honey and I wanted to do 250 milligrams of salt, but as you can see the scale I'm using doesn't go into milligrams, so you'll see later I just kind of like pinched a little bit of salt and then called it a day. As you see now, I slightly overshot 40 grams and went to 42, but more in this case is better, and I don't think it's more by enough that it's going to have any sort of negative result. 40 grams is just cause during my powerlifting meet I did 30 grams and I thought that the taste was kind of bland, so I want to add a bit more. This is also less water, so that's fine. I'll also be drinking water as per usual during tomorrow's workout, so I'll get into the explanation why in right about now actually. Alright, explanation time. So normally on my deadlift day, which is usually Tuesday, I have 3 hours between my classes because I go to school. So what I normally do is I will have lunch, then go to the gym to do my more bodybuilding exercises, like basically what I'm doing right now, like pull-ups, rows, triceps, that sort of thing. Then I go back to school for my 4 to 6 class p.m. Then after that I go home, eat dinner and do deadlifts at night. So usually I'll reach the gym like 8 to 8:30 maybe. So because of this, there's a huge gap in my part 1 and part 2 of my workout. And also there's a chance to refuel, which is my dinner time. So this results in like my performance being similar in bodybuilding parts as well as the powerlifting parts of my workout. But now, as I speak, it's the holiday break, so there is no class and no 3-hour break. So in the past, I've tried doing like my bodybuilding accessory stuff first, but my deadlift performance always tanks like crazy. And obviously I don't want that to happen, since now, especially now, I'm taking powerlifting more seriously. So I definitely don't want that to happen. So today, I tried drink to see if intro workout is the key to unlock performance across longer workouts. Anyway, so for today I did my bodybuilding accessory stuff first, then drank my intro workout between my last, I don't know whether to call it accessory or bodybuilding, but I'll call it bodybuilding. So bodybuilding exercise, which is the overhead triceps, although technically it's not overhead because it's perpendicular, it's like parallel to my head if you watch the video, but whatever. And first deadlift warm up. I also make sure to push, like treat my bodybuilding accessories as I do them as intensely as I always do, just to make sure it's not as like fair. It's a fair test. Yeah, technically I don't have to do that because I don't have any incentive to lie about the results of the experiment since I'm not selling intro workout. But I guess it's just for the integrity of science. Also, on the topic of integrity, I took a 5-minute break between drinking and warming up because I want to allow it more time to enter my system, which is fine because technically you're supposed to be sitting on intro workout throughout the duration, so it's more sustained. While I'm kind of doing like it spikes up because I have lunch, then dips down because I worked out, and then drink intro and it spikes back up, so that averages out. But technically it's supposed to be sustained. Anyway, quick workout review. Warm-ups felt good, and 160 for 3 felt about the same as usual. By good, I mean like it feels like I'm not fatigued, which is the whole reason why I'm even trying intro workout in the first place. Anyway, I am well aware that 160 is technically my weight for 5 reps. I don't think I filmed it at all on this channel, but previously during my volume block I was doing 160 for 5. 160, I think I did 165 for 5 as well. But because I just came back from a holiday, which is kind of like a deload, so you shouldn't be loading as heavy. Anyway, but either way, the third rep of today felt like the third rep of a normal set of 5, so I guess that's good. Overall, intro workout works. I don't think you need to buy the supplements, since you can just make it at home if you got some sort of simple glucose like straight up sugar, or I use honey, and as well as some salt. But yeah, thanks for watching.